My name's AJ LaRusso, one of the principals at LaRusso Heavy Equipment. We've been a construction dealer since 2009. We've been a Hyundai dealer since 2011. In a short amount of time, Hyundai became our #1 brand and still continues today as our highest volume selling machine that we carry. We have customers ranging from small landscape customers to large aggregate quarries, pretty much everybody across the board that runs construction equipment we've been able to supply and support with the Hyundai brand. What I've liked selling with the Hyundai brand has been the amount of repeat business that we've been able to achieve. When we first started with Hyundai, it was a very strong, reliable brand, no frills. Now I have no problem putting Hyundai up against any other competitor in the market. I think we have a better quality, more standard features, usable features that help the operator and owner of the machine in every day-to-day operations. What we've also heard back from customers is that not just the owning cost of Hyundai is more attractive to them, but the operating cost of the Hyundai is lower than the comparable machines. Some of the newer products that Hyundai's come out with in the past year or so that we've had a lot of success with is the HL985 wheel loader and the HX1000 excavator. The customer feedback's been excellent. It's been very reliable, very fuel efficient, and higher production than the prior machines that we've sold. The Hyundai articulated truck, we've sold an HA45 to a local customer about 2 years ago. The customer just ordered a second one. The Hyundai has achieved the highest runtime compared to the other machines. One thing that's really impressed me about Hyundai, especially in the past 5 to 6 years, is Hyundai's increased effort on the service side, which has helped us serve our customers better. And I feel nothing but confidence going forward with Hyundai.